Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Let's provide solution to this question provided right here. And today's video we have given a question: a squared plus b squared is equal to 2009, and we are supposed to find a plus b is equal to what? First thing here is to copy what we have. We have a squared plus b squared, which equals to 2009, and of course here we are supposed to find a plus b is equals to what? Now here, first strategy we can try to find out is here. From this right side here, we have 2009 as it is. Now we can find prime factorization of this number, whereas here we can divide here, can divide by 7. Now here we shall get 287, and of course if we divide 7 again here, we shall get 41. So here we will write that a squared plus b squared will be equal to 7 times 41. Right, then here a squared plus b squared is equals to 7 squared times 41. Have you seen? Now what can we do right now is here we can write, at this stage we are going to use a to be equals to 7m, and here b 7n. Right, then we are going to plug in it to the equation we have right here to get 7m, then power 2 plus 7n power 2 will be 7 squared times 41. Then of course here we shall get 7 squared m squared, sorry here, yeah, that is 7m, not 7 power m. That is here 7 squared times m squared plus 7 squared times n squared, which is equal to 7 squared times 41. At this stage here we have 7 squared and 7 squared. We can factorize 7 squared out to get m squared plus n squared, cross bracket, which is equal to 7 squared times 41. At this stage we shall divide 7 squared and 7 squared again here. This 7 squared will be cancelled, and we shall remain with m squared plus n squared, which is equal to 41. Of course here we have m squared plus n squared, which is equal to what? We're going to find perfect square, where we can add two perfect squares. We can add them to get 41. Of course here we shall get 16 plus 25, and here we can compare these both sides, whereas m squared is equal to 16 and n squared is equal to 25. At this stage, square root of m squared will be square root of 16. Right, then here m will be positive or negative 4, whereas here square root of n squared is equal to square root of 25, whereas n will be positive or negative 5. Then here we have seen that A is equals to 7m. Right, then here we shall say A is equal to, by taking positive 4, we shall say 7 times 4, right? Whereas A here will be 28. And here at this stage we have B, which is equal to 7n, whereas B will be 7 times 5. And of course B here shall say it is equal to 35. Now by taking negative, we shall say A is equals to, right here we shall say A is equals to negative 28, whereas here B equals to negative 35. And of course we shall verify. Have seen that A squared plus B squared is equals to 2009, whereas here now we can take 28 squared plus 35 squared is equals to 2009, that is question mark. And of course when we take this number and 28 squared plus 35 squared, of course this is 2009, which is equal to 2009. And here we can come up to the question you have asked for, to find A plus B. Right here we have seen that A is equal to 28, then plus B, which is equal to, but we have say A plus B is equals to 28 plus 35, which is equal to 63. And another thing we can say here is negative 28 plus negative 35, that is negative 35, which is equal to negative 63. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.